You know, mean girls are not fictional characters.
I am filled with
whatever.
That's what sucking at life looks like.
It may so happen that a mean person always does not fit the mean girl stereotype that we've been shown in TV and movies. There are chances that you can be mean at times and be really nice too. Here's your checklist to identify if you're one. Number 1, you're quick to identify and pinpoint other people's physical imperfections. या तो directly मुंह पे ही बोल देते हो or you wait for them to leave. Commenting on people's looks, उनका मजाक उड़ाना may seem cool, but it's not. Number 2, you're low on loyalty. You know, when a friend or someone who knows you comes and tells you कि please ये किसी को मत बताना, can you keep this a secret? And you're like, yeah, I swear I won't tell this to anybody. But then you end up spilling it, or worse, you spread rumors. And this is also just plain bad behavior. You know, breaking someone's trust and spilling their secrets just to gain someone else's trust. Not cool. Number 3, you see everything as a competition. You know, it's less that you're inspired by your friends' successes and more that you want it for yourself. Number 4, making yourself look good by comparing yourself to others. You know, वो ये करती है और देखो मैं कुछ नहीं करती. Number 5, you consider yourself the ringleader in all situations. तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम्हारे ग्रुप में किसको क्या करना है. जो तुम्हें करना है वही होगा, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली तुम्हें ही तो पता है कि बेस्ट क्या है सबके लिए. सो यू डोंट इवन गिव देम द चांस टू से व्हाट दे वांट टू डू. नंबर 6 इज you deliberately don't give your friends good advice when they desperately need it. If it comes down to it, you'd sacrifice someone else just to save yourself. Now, making yourself your own priority is fine. Flights में भी यही बोलते हैं कि पहले अपना ऑक्सीजन का मास्क लगाओ. But does that mean you sacrifice someone else's safety, self-image or self-respect? And that too when you have the option to do differently. Major mean girl alert. Is any of this ringing a bell? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a tiny one from far away. You know, कभी कभार लोगों को realize भी नहीं होता that they're being mean because that part of their behavior is so deeply ingrained. So if you have this habit of judging other people and putting them down, don't worry. You're not doomed to be this person forever. Here are 4 points that will help you stop being a mean person. Number 1, know your insecurities. Experts say that being mean has more to do with the person who is being mean rather than the person who is getting insulted. It can be that the person is narcissistic with low self-esteem, which is why they rely on insulting other people and bringing them down. You know, to feel good about themselves. It can be a defense mechanism for dealing with tough realities, and thus being mean can boost their ego and make them feel like they're superior or in control. Start journaling your thoughts and feelings. Hopefully, after introspecting, you will be able to figure this out. When you reflect, things begin to get clear. Second is empathy. Try to understand where the other person is coming from and don't be quick to judge. कभी किसी के साथ ऐसा कोई behavior मत करो जो तुम खुद नहीं चाहोगे कि तुम्हारे साथ कोई ऐसा behavior करे. Number 3, be a good listener. Listen to others when they speak. Take their suggestions, viewpoints into consideration before telling them कि this is what I want. Try to engage in a dialogue rather than cancelling the other person out. You know, one of the best way to give out positive vibes is to give a lot of compliments. Compliments are free of cost. They can be effortless if you really try to see the other person, and it makes the other person feel super happy about themselves. So that was all. I hope that we as individuals can focus on spreading more and more positivity and make the sisterhood stronger. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.